What's going on, Big Bang family? It's your boy Big Bang Joe, and today I'm coming with some straight heat. Today we're gonna be talking about how you can get a $100,000 line of credit with just a Softpull pre-qualification. All right, so you can get pre-qualified for this line of credit with just a Softpull. But before we get started, if you're new here, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know that you're new here so that I can come welcome you to the family personally. Not only do you need to leave a comment below, you need to smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell because I will be dropping videos every single day and you don't want to miss it. But if you've been here before, you know that I don't like my time being wasted, so I'm not here to waste yours. So we're going to get right to it. All right, this institution that we're going to talk about is Headway Capital, okay? Headway Capital is a fintech company. And a fintech company is a financial technology company, right? So it's not a bank, it's not a credit union, it's a fintech company. So with fintech companies, they usually have lower requirements as far as your credit score. But what I will tell you is these companies want to see your income, right? They want to see how much money you're bringing in. So they go based off that, right? So you can have a low credit score, but they're going to go off your income. And I personally got pre-qualified for $71,000, but I didn't accept the offer. And later on, I'm going to tell you why. So stay tuned for that. All right, again, so they have lower requirements. So you can get approved with a 540 credit score, right? You can get pre-qualified with a 540 credit score. Let's talk a little bit about it, all right? So obviously, the minimum amount is $5,000 and the maximum amount is $100,000, right? And they have different repayment terms. For example, they have a 12-month, an 18-month, and a 24-month. They offer weekly or monthly payments. For example, if you draw $5,000, the payments, depending on what term you're on, the payments can be either chosen to be made weekly or monthly. It's just based on your business model. If you can make weekly payments, you do that. If you can make monthly payments, you do that. Just whatever works. All right. So, and it shows right here that if I have a $100,000 line of credit, my weekly payment amount will be $1,700. So you got to be bringing in some income if you're going to draw $100,000 and you make it weekly payments. But now that's the weekly payment. So let's see what the monthly payment will be. The monthly payment will be $7,000 based on the term. So you can basically know how much you'll be paying weekly and monthly based off the desired credit limit and your repayment term. So it changes based off of whether it's 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months, right? Obviously, it goes down the longer the term, right? And it goes down based on how much you have, too. So let's say you got a $5,000 loan and you withdraw $5,000. Monthly payment will be $316, $73 weekly payment. All right, so if that's a little bit to your level, you can make it work. All right, so you basically will put in your desired amount. It says right here, our true line of credit product offers small business a unique funding solution with everyday revolving access, transparent terms, and no prepayment penalty. All right, so revolving. For my people that may not know, I know a lot of people probably do know, but this is a revolving line of credit. It's not a loan. And the difference between a loan and a line of credit, and I tell you I prefer lines of credit over loans all day, every day, because a loan is just a fixed amount. They send it and deposit to your account. For example, if you get a loan for $50,000, they're going to deposit $50,000 in your account, and you have to start making payments on it immediately. But with the line of credit, you can have a $50,000 line of credit, and you can choose how much you want to draw, whether it's $5,000, whether it's $10,000, whether it's $1,000, just whatever the minimum requirement is. So you can choose if you want to draw $1,000 to whatever your max limit is. Okay, so that's what I like about that. And then once you pay it back, it replenishes. With the loan, once you pay it back, you have to apply for a whole nother loan to get that $50,000 again. But with this, it's gonna replenish as soon as you pay it back. If you take out $5,000 and pay $5,000 back, you can use that $5,000 again, right? So that's the best part about it. Headway Capital also offers term loans and merchant cash advances, and they basically tell you the difference right here. So with the line of credit, they have longer payments. You can repay over 12 to 24 months. A flexible schedule. You can choose weekly and monthly payments. It's revolving, fast funding, and you can pay off early to reduce your costs. Right, with a term loan, there's not a flexible schedule. There's no revolving line of credit. With the merchant cash advance, you don't have a longer payment. You don't have a flexible schedule. You don't have a revolving line of credit. And you do have prepayment penalties. So that's just the difference between that. And I'm glad they specify the differences. Again, you can have bad credit with them, and you can apply for them with just a soft pull to your credit. So I want to clarify with this. So when you apply, when you do the pre-qualification, they will give you a pre-qualifying offer and they will soft pull you, right? I believe they soft pull your Equifax. And once they soft pull you, they're going to hard pull you if you accept the offer, okay? So obviously, you shouldn't be scared of a hard pull if you know that you qualify for something, right? If you know you're getting qualified for $75,000, you shouldn't be scared of a hard pull. It's not, if you're getting something in return, it's okay, right? You should think of it as a trade-off. Okay, I'm gonna get this hard inquiry, but I'm about to get some money back. If you're looking to make some money or invest, or if you want to market your business, if you want to do whatever, you can use this money. You shouldn't be scared of a hard pull because this is giving you access to capital that you didn't have before. So let's go to the application process. So you enter your desired credit limit and what your primary use for these funds are. All right, so for this, I want to explain to y'all the best use of the funds. If you want to get approved, this is informational purposes, but if you want to get approved, the best thing to put is either marketing or advertising, buy inventory, cash flow, or working capital. I'm just letting y'all know. They like to lend to businesses that are buying inventory, working capital, or marketing or advertising, right? So if you want to get approved, I just gave you the game. So this is what you need to put when it comes to that. Also, if your business is not making money, I have a technique that you can use that's going to allow you to be able to get this line of credit without technically making money, right? So I'm not going to go too much into detail. If you want to learn how to do that, how you can access this funding that way, you need to book a consultation because the link is in the description, and I got y'all. I'm going to put y'all on game, and you can get a $50,000, you can get a $70,000 line of credit without actually having income. All right, so let's move forward. And I told you guys that I didn't move forward on the option. I didn't move forward on the $70,000 that they offered me, or $71,000, however much it was. And that reason is they gave me a crazy high interest rate. Right. And when I say crazy high, I'm talking about 50% interest rate. And I was like, y'all are insane. Y'all are insane because, I spoke with a rep. They was like, the interest rate, you can accept the offer. The interest rate will be 50%. I said, okay, so 15%. They said, no, 50. And I said, okay, well, I appreciate the offer and I'll get back to you soon. And I didn't entertain the offer because 50% is crazy. I'm just going to be real with y'all. So, obviously they give out high interest rate. I don't know. It could have been an error, but they give out high interest rates. So if you are going to get a fast turnaround, if you don't know what you're doing with this money, I wouldn't suggest it. But, this could be good for you if you're using it for marketing, right? If you're using it for payroll, right? If you're using it for different things like that you can cover the money eventually. Like if you don't have to hold this money for a long period of time, it's going to be good. So you can cover it, right? Even for consolidating your loans, right? You can take this out and consolidate a line of credit or consolidate some credit. You can take this line of credit out and pay your credit cards down and get increases and take the money back off and pay the line of credit back, right? Y'all probably didn't know that, but you can do that. You can consolidate credit cards and loans with this. I wouldn't consolidate it with a loan. I would do it with my credit cards and line of credit because you can replenish it and pay it back. And right, you can do it back and forth if you want to get increases over time. That's some more game for y'all. Also, if you have this line of credit, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if it's a good line of credit for you. Let me know if you're using it. Let me know how you're utilizing it. And just put us on game, man. Everybody's here to share information. We want to help each other. Help me, help you, help you, help other people. All right, so that's what we're here for. So share this information with all of us. If you're deciding to go get this line of credit and you go get pre-qualified, go do that. And guess what? We're going to celebrate your wins with you. Another thing I do want to mention, they have a draw fee. So they have a draw fee of 2%. So let's say you get approved for $50,000. If you withdraw $10,000, they're going to charge you $200 on top of that. All right, so they do have draw fees. But if you're making money with this, you're not going to trip about a draw fee. Again, y'all can choose whether or not y'all want this line of credit. Again, it's good for different things. If it's for you, go get it. And again, if you're not making money and you're trying to figure out how to access this line of credit, I can put you on game. All right. So if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all leave a like, make sure y'all leave a comment, and make sure y'all smash that subscribe button and turn the notification bells on, because I'm gonna be dropping bangers every single day and you don't want to miss it. With that being said, as y'all know, the top ain't going nowhere. You just gotta get there. Let's get it.
Had to go and get it. Steady grinding just behind the scenes. I've been on a mission. Gotta touch him by any means.
Said we can go high five.